Hello Stampers and welcome to Laura's Stamp Pad. Today I just wanted to show you this super fun and cute card where the bottom portion is actually cut off of the front and you have that fabulous little flap. So the inside of the card gets to show as part of the front decoration, and you have this fabulous little greeting just hanging off there. So the biggest tip that I have for this card is assembling the greeting. So today I'm going to show you how I did that. I've been using the Label Me Lovely punch, which is just my favorite by far right now. I've been using it so much. So what I did is I also used the Bonanza Buddies stamp set as well as the Designer Series paper. So I actually punched out a white greeting and stamped it down. So a piece of Whisper White and stamped down the greeting in Memento Black. Then I punched another one in Coastal Cabana and I cut it in half. If you're trying to use up scrap pieces of Coastal Cabana, you could always just punch a half of one rather than cutting it in half. So you could use a piece of scrap as, you know, as wide as this rather than going the full length. So the best way I have found to adhere these two layers for that perfect layering effect is to add a little dab of adhesive to the top, and without picking it up, I just lay it down like this, and when I find the right spot, I press, and then that adhesive sticks right there in that spot. Now I'm going to add some to the bottom and do the same thing. I'm just going to lay it down, and you know, I'm kind of at an angle so the adhesive isn't actually sticking, and I'm getting it to that perfect spot and then press. And now you have that fabulous layered greeting. Now, when you add this to your card front, you don't want to actually put adhesive on the whole thing. You just want to put it on half, because when you put it on the whole thing, you're going to end up sealing your card closed. So I'm just going to flip it over, add adhesive to that top portion, and making sure that it is up high enough, I'm just going to add it to my card, and I'm going to look on the back to make sure I don't have any adhesive sticking out, and then I'm pressing down. So then you have that. I haven't actually stamped on the inside piece, so I didn't place down the Whisper White yet, but I wanted to show it so that you guys could see the nice contrast there. So you just want to make sure that you're not putting adhesive on the bottom side of this greeting so that you have that nice, fun greeting going down without sealing your card closed. I hope you guys enjoyed this little tutorial showcasing how to layer with your punches and using the same exact punch image, as well as creating that fun little flap and only adhering a portion of it. You can see this one I actually trimmed off the little ends just for a little bit of a different look. So this one has a little less blue, whereas this one, the blue, the Coastal Cabana, goes all the way to the edge. So super, super fun. Of course, the Designer Series paper has both koalas and lions in it, so you have both of those fun, cute, adorable looks. So now I just need to stamp my inside greeting of happy birthday, as well as those little presents down in the corner, and I'm all done. Of course, I'll have more pictures of these on my blog, laurasStampPad.com, so you can check those out there. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Be sure to subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you guys all next time. Happy stamping. Bye-bye.